setup, which I really like. I really like these breakfast tables. It kind of reminds me of every American house having this concept. So I've seen one thing, like if you go to grocery stores like Stories or any kind of premium grocery stores, they have these cutesy black and white baskets, and the cladding is also really nice. It's very easy. Wallpaper, you guys. So nice. I don't have a walk-in closet, but one day I will. They put a new wallpaper. Did you notice that? I really like this. Ikea's like, I like Ikea's thing is that every 6 months they do keep having different things coming, and they do keep changing the outlets, things and everything. Some things remain standard, but other things are always changing, and that's what I like seeing. It inspires me a lot. These are also really nice. The only difference between those cupboards and these cupboards are that is completely sealed, whereas these ones are little transparent as well. And they are the same price, so it's the same thing. I told you guys, I found these baskets. It's their colors. I'm going to show you guys. These are like so cute, These you can also use for like picnic baskets if you're going out. If you're a aesthetic kind of a person, So pretty. If you guys kind of know, I'm kind of very fond of mirrors, and I'm going to show you guys so many of them. Like, I feel this is a really nice mirror, which is like nearly 9,000 rupees, and I feel like I'm going to purchase this because it's so good, and this kind of room aesthetics matches with my brother's room, so I'm going to get him certain things because his is a little more dark theme. So we are going to purchase something like this, and look at that mirror also. So freaking good, I really love this. I love mirrors, and I feel like taking everything home. I'm a girl who wants to live with a lot of mirrors. I think this will be like $199 because last time I still remember for my birthday party I got something like this and it was like $199, so probably that. And this in rose as well. The stand. Something that I've also learned what Ikea has is that they help you design your storage boxes. So I'm going to take you guys through the step and the processes of what they have. First thing is that they help you find your size as well as your style, that is design your box's purpose. And the second thing they do is that they help you adjust the look. Now this is the fun part where not many people do this, but IKEA offers this, where they help you play with your personality, pick up different panels and even mix up things. Like for example, you guys can go for a warm wooden top and clean white sides And the last is the fun part, that is the detailing it out, that is the handles, the knobs, as well as the legs. You know, you can not only, you can always pick golden panels or even silver hardware. And you know, these kind of things are really important because these final changes actually change the complete look of the storage box. And honestly, designing your own storage is a lot like designing your lifestyle. It's about making the details that make your everyday life feel better. And speaking of details, I have something that is to make your life better. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I know after a hectic workday that I can always rely on my hunger minute bar because it's going to keep me energized, and second thing, it's very nutritious, and third thing, I'm making a healthier choice than eating something that's not healthy for me, especially to fulfill me after a work day, and it's going to keep me full till I head home and have dinner. So I'm having my millet hunger bar, and I'm so grateful that I'm choosing a healthier choice. The sofas are also very comfy. Like, I can sit here. See this mirror? This mirror is like 7,000 rupees. But this is my favorite one. It's because of the mirror and the aesthetics. Like, and you know what? I really like this bedroom. Every time I come, I do make sure I capture pictures here because I love a good closet, sliding door closet. See, you guys should come here. See, it's so pretty, you guys. The closet is nice, the space is nice. I like it, I can fit in here. And it's actually really nice that I can actually sit, you know.